Welcome to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell button to stay updated to my latest notifications. Again, welcome all of you to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. And today I'll be discussing with you another important static topic, and today's topic will be Chief Ministers, Governors of States and Union Territories, and as usual it will be presented by me, the educator Shovik Maitra. Before proceeding, let's have a look at my achievement section. Like if you are a new viewer, you can see all these things. Otherwise, you can proceed further definitely. And if you are a new viewer, you can first subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest notifications. Since related to static GK, obviously my target audience will be any bank PO clerk. In fact, it's important for SSC, railways and insurance candidates too. If you want to get hold of the PDF of this particular lesson, you can join my Telegram channel, that is Learn with Shovik. If you join it, you can get hold of all the PDFs of all my videos done till now. And if you want to subscribe to Unacademy's Plus Subscription courses, you can definitely do so by using this particular code, referral code, that is PLUSR4SVE. If you use this code, then you will be getting flat 10% off on any Unacademy Plus Subscription courses, and if you want Asian discount, that too you can get hold of using Unacademy learning credits. Now let's go straight to today's topic, that is Chief Ministers and Governors of important states and Union Territories. First, have a look at Andhra Pradesh state. Its Chief Minister is Sri Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy. Capital is in Amravati. Sri Vishwabhushan Harichandran is the current governor of Andhra Pradesh. Now let's have a look at the next state, that is Arunachal Pradesh. It's a northeastern state and its Chief Minister is Sri Pema Khandu. Capital is Itanagar and current governor is Sri B.D. Mishra. Coming to Assam, another important northeastern state, its capital is Dishpur, but Assam's administrative capital is Guwahati. Please have a look at all these things. Guwahati. And governor is Sri Jagdish Mukhi. Bihar's chief minister is Sri Nitish Kumar. Governor is Phagu Chauhan. Capital is Patna. And Chhattisgarh chief minister is Sri Bhupesh Baghel. Governor is Srimati Anusha Uike and capital is Raipur. Now Bihar and Gujarat, these two states have banned liquor sales, and some special statistics facts you must know, like any state, each of these got its highest revenue from the state's GST, and third most important revenue comes from liquor sale, which is banned in Bihar and Gujarat. Now if you move further, then have a look at Delhi. National Capital Territory is union territory with legislature, and its chief minister is Sri Arvind Kejriwal and its current lieutenant governor is Sri Anil Baijal. Goa is the smallest state of India. And Goa's chief minister is Sri Pramod Sawant. Governor is Sri Satyapal Malik and capital is in Panaji. Gujarat, constituency from where our PM Narendra Modi has contested, and also Varanasi. Chief Minister is Sri Vijay Bhai R. Rupani. Governor is Sri Acharya Devvrat and capital is Gandhinagar. Next, coming to Gujarat's another administrative capital is Ahmedabad. That thing you must keep in mind. Haryana, Chief Minister is Sri Manohar Lal Khattar. Governor is Sri Satyadev Narayan Arya and capital is Chandigarh. In fact, Chandigarh Union Territory is and it's the joint capital of both Punjab and Haryana. Himachal Pradesh, its one capital is Shimla, another one recently one is Dharamsala. Chief Minister is Sri Jairam Thakur and Governor is Sri Bandaru Dattatreya. Coming to next one, and this is a huge list over here as you can see. First one, Kerala. Kerala is known as God's own country. Its capital is Trivandrum. Chief Minister is Sri Pinarayi Vijayan and Governor is Sri Arif Muhammad Khan. Next, Jharkhand. Jharkhand's capital is Ranchi and its chief minister is Sri Hemant Soren. Governor is Sri Moti Draupadi Murmu. Okay. Karnataka. Its capital is Bengaluru, and Bengaluru is often referred to known as Silicon Valley of India or IT Hub of India. Its chief minister is Sri B.S. Yadurappa and governor is Sri Vajubhai Vala. Madhya Pradesh, often referred to known as the heart of India, is situated exactly at the middle of India. Its capital is Bhopal and Its Chief Minister is Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Sri Lalji Tandon. Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai and its Chief Minister is Sri Udbhav Thackeray and Governor is Sri Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Manipur is another northeastern state. Its capital is Imphal and its Chief Minister is Sri N. Biren Singh and Governor is Srimati Nazma Heptullah. Previously, she was also the Minority Affairs Minister. Now it's currently is Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Meghalaya capital is Shillong and its Chief Minister is Sri Konrad Konkal Sangma. Governor is Sri Tathagata Ray. Mizoram, as you can see over here, its capital is Aizawl and Chief Minister is Sri Fu Zoramthanga. Governor is Sri P.A. Sridharan Pillai. Nagaland, capital is Kohima and its Chief Minister is Sri Neiphiu Ryu and Governor is Sri R.N. Ravi. Orissa, its capital is Bhubaneswar and its Chief Minister is Sri Naveen Patnaik. Often you can see Orissa is in news due to various state-based projects, various things. Many times you can see Orissa is in news. And its governor is Sri Ganeshi Lal. Puducherry is another union territory. Its lieutenant governor is Srimati Kiran Bedi. She was former IPS officer too. In fact, she is an IPS officer and its capital is also Puducherry and Chief Minister is Sri V. Narayan Swamy. Punjab. Punjab is a famous state and its capital is Chandigarh, already state. Haryana and Punjab share common union territory. Capital is Chandigarh and its Chief Minister is Sri Captain Amrinder Singh and Governor is Sri V.P. Singh Badnor. Rajasthan is the largest state of India and its capital is Jaipur, often referred to known as Pink City of India, and its Chief Minister is Sri Ashok Gehlot and Governor is Sri Kalraj Mishra. Coming next one, Sikkim, which used to be one state which was absolutely corona free, but now it is not so after the return of the Sramiks, as you can see, migrant laborers. Sikkim's capital is Gangtok and its Chief Minister is Sri P.S. Golai and its Governor is Sri Ganga Prasad. Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai and its Chief Minister is Thiru Edapadi K. Palaniswamy and its Governor is Sri Banwarilal Purohit. Coming to last one in this slide, this Telangana. Its capital is Hyderabad. Telangana was cut out of Andhra Pradesh in the year 2014 and Andhra Pradesh now is capital Amravati and Telangana is capital Hyderabad. But both still have, I think, common high court. Maybe it's I'm not sure. You can check it out over here whether Andhra Pradesh has got its own high court or not. And Telangana's Chief Minister is Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao and Governor is Srimati Tamilisai Soundarajan. Okay. Now moving forward to the last list over here, that is regarding, I think I've already discussed regarding Tamil Nadu and Telangana. So let's move forward to the next one, that is Tripura. It's also a famous northeastern state and its capital is Agartala and it's the BJP ruling state, and here Chief Minister is Sri Biplav Kumar Deb and Governor currently Sri Ramesh Bais. Now let's move forward to north of India. This is Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Lucknow. Lucknow is famous for the Bhulbulaiya and its Chief Minister is Sri Yogi Adityanath and its Governor is Srimati Anandiben Patel. Uttarakhand. Its one capital is Dehradun and recently it has got second capital, that is Garsen, just like Himachal Pradesh, and its Chief Minister is Sri Trivandrum Singh Rawat and Governor is Srimati Baby Rani Moria. Now coming to West Bengal. Now West Bengal's capital is Kolkata, the city of joy, and its Chief Minister Srimati Mamata Banerjee and Governor is Sri Jagdeep Dhankar. Now let's move forward to the rest of union territories which are not discussed till now, like Andaman Nicobar. Its capital is Port Blair. Now next coming to Jammu and Kashmir. Recently it has been made a union territory and its summer capital is Kashmir and winter capital is Jammu. Okay, so Jammu Kashmir's Lieutenant Governor is Sri Girish Chandra Murmu. Ladakh. Ladakh, its capital is Leh and its Lieutenant Governor is Sri Radha Krishna Mathur. Lakshadweep, its capital is Kavaratti. Lakshadweep is the only union territory which is corona free, absolutely corona free, you can say, due to the good administration and lot of help from Kerala, where third wave infections are currently going. That's Kerala, and its governor is Sri Dineshwar Sharma. He is the administrator over here. Daman and Diu and Dadar Nagar Haveli, both these have got a common administrator, that is Sri Praful Patel, and Daman and Diu's capital is Daman and Dadar Nagar Haveli's capital is Silvassa. Chandigarh is a union territory whose current administrator is Sri VP Singh Badnor. Okay, so I have actually come to an end of this particular lesson. Nothing to discuss over here now. But I think I must tell you something like next topics which I'm going to take. Like I am thinking of taking up national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Then I think I may take up rivers and dams. I have a plan of taking up important authors, important dates, country capital currency. Lots of things have been taken up, and obviously important ones like cabinet ministers, portfolio and constituencies. All this will be taken up in this particular course that is I'm taking of static GK. All this will be covered, no problem. Just follow me for further updates, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.